Rebecca from Headway Derby. It's a lovely wet Wednesday morning and we're at Robin Wood in South Derbyshire. We're with Emma, who's got the video, we're with Sarah, who's our new wellness coordinator, and with Mark, who's one of our new volunteers, who's going to help with all the outdoor stuff that we're going to be doing. So today we're at the lovely Robin Wood and we're doing a little bit of reconnaissance to work out some new fitness walks that members can come on, and also do some risk assessments so that we can make sure everybody's nice and safe. So come with us.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style.
Hi, so we're now in Ticknall. We're about 1.5 miles into our three-ish mile walk. I'm absolutely loving it. The weather's beautiful, it's quite cool and there's a little bit of dampness in the air, so it's not too hot. Perfect for exercise on National Fitness Day. Our heart rates are up a little bit, our cheeks are nice and pink now, and it's really good for mental health as well as physical health, so come with us into Ticknall.
And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style.
Which, as you face it, it's got lime works on the left, and this tunnel was used to transport all the lime to Ashby Canal.